Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did this ultra shimmery black and gold nail design. So for this look, I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails clear acrylic along with this black and gold glitter mix and this gold glitter. And these are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. So I've gotten questions about the ASP monomer and I really like it. It does seem to be low odor because it doesn't give me a headache and it is not as strong as a scent as the no lift nails. And I think I'm going to stick with this because I can go ahead and pick this up locally and I don't have to worry about it spilling or anything like that. Alright, so I'm going in with Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator and the No Lift Nails Primer. Alright, so I'm going to start off with a thin layer of clear acrylic and I'm first starting off with the tip and I'm just going to form the tip of the nail, and I just like to do this because it kind of gives me a guide. And I'm also putting a thin layer of clear on my nail bed area. So now I'm going in with the black and gold glitter mix and I'm just going to apply that in a diagonal fashion. And then I'm going in with the gold glitter mix and just kind of placing that a little above the black and gold mix and just trying to make a nice little gradient effect with that. Alright, so once I've allowed the glitter to dry and I like the way it's placed and all of that, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate this nail with clear acrylic. And the brush I'm using, of course, is my number 8 Alpha brush. I will leave a link down below. Alright, so for my ring fingernail, I'm going to once again start off with that thin layer of clear acrylic. And then I'm taking this gold foil that I got from GearBest and I'm just going to apply this to the nail, and I've decided to leave a big portion of it intact. Normally I would break this up in pieces, but I just wanted to put it all on there and kind of give like that gold bar effect. Alright, so once the gold foil is in place, I'm just going to go ahead and apply more of that black and gold glitter mix. And once it's all in place, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate this nail with clear. Alright, so for my middle finger, I am going to start off with a thin layer of clear acrylic. And once again going in with a piece of gold foil. And because this nail is going to have some jewels on it, I'm not applying any glitter, and I'm just going to go ahead and cap this nail with clear. Alright, and for my index finger, I'm just going to go ahead and start off with that thin layer of clear as well. And this nail is going to be a simple glitter ombre. So I'm just going to start off with the gold glitter, placing that around my smile line area and kind of fanning that downward. And then I'm applying more of that black and gold glitter and just fading that down the nail. And once it's placed the way that I like, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate. Alright, so this is after the acrylic has set, and I'm just going to go in and do my shaping and filing. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm just going to go in with some jewels, and I got all of these from GearBest. I will leave links down below, but I'm just going to pick out some jewels that I want from these pots. And to apply my large jewels, I'm starting off with a bead of clear, and then I'm just going to apply those jewels and just add more clear in between the spaces as I see fit. And then I'm going in with the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And you guys know that this is my favorite part. I just love how everything just comes to life. And I love the gold foil. It just looks so nice. And before I cure, I'm just going to place some black and gold embellishments and some iridescent crystals. And I go ahead and cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to apply this cuticle oil that I got from GearBest. I will leave a link down below. It smells so good. So after applying the cuticle oil, this is the finished look. Just a nice shimmery black and gold set. I love how this came out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.